welcome to my channel, guys. And today we are going to look at a few of the brand new Cydia tweaks that just got dropped yesterday and today. They already been installed on my device and they work just fine. There's no issue, there's no problem, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this on your jailbroken device and customizing your device the way you guys want. Now, before we dive into these Cydia tweaks and before I show you guys, only one thing I ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now that's out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. So just like always, we're gonna go into Cydia, and once we go to Cydia, and what I'm gonna do, just like always, go to install, go to recent, and then the first Cydia tweak we are going to take a look at is this one right here. As you guys can see right here, this is the Cydia tweak, and as you guys can see, your iOS version is supported. So basically I am running 14.3 and I'm running Unc0ver Jailbreak. As you guys can see, we got the Cydia fully working. So that's been said, as you guys can see, updated for iOS 12 and 13, but it is working on iOS 14 and above, because it's working on my phone. So what you can do with this tweak, basically add a different image to each springboard screen. If you use the right image, you can create a panorama background effect that Apple removed from the iPhone. Configure option in a setting, sports up to 10 screens. Now, as you guys can see, this tweak will not work if you use a dynamic or a live wallpaper. It will work only on a still image, and as you guys can see right here, it explains to you if when you download it and it don't work for you, do these steps. If your image do not show, try setting your wallpaper to a stock wallpaper in a setting. So go to wallpaper, stills, then set your image and respring your device, and configure option in a setting. So basically that's what you do. You can have a different image for your each page on your springboard. So I'm going to show you guys on my device, but the first thing, we're gonna go into the setting. When you download this tweak, go to your setting, go to your tweak section, and from here we're gonna find that tweak, which is going to be right here. This is the tweak that we need to download. So once you open this up, this is the interface. Not so much to configure from. So basically the first option is to enable this tweak. Once you enable it, and then you have this set image and select image 1, and then you can preview it before you actually set it up, and then delete image 1. So you can delete it and then select the different one, and same goes for this image 2. So it's you have the option from 1 all the way to 10 images. You can set 10 images if you have 10 pages on your device. And once you set all those images, and once you're happy what you set, all you have to do, for all the changes to take effect, you have to respring right there, respring your device. And also now As you guys can see, in a Cydia it doesn't show you, but as you guys can see right here, it says updated for iOS 12, 13, 14 by this developer. So all I want to say, thanks to this developer who made this possible, and now we can actually customize our device, with a different wallpaper or different pictures, which Apple removed it from their iOS. So this is really, really awesome, and let me show you guys on my device. So as you guys can see right here, this is the page number 1, and then if we scroll over now, as you guys can see, there is the only one image, because what I did was I hit the image 1. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into select image 1, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose this image right here. As you guys can see, it says success, image 1 PNG set. Hit OK, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna scroll down, we're gonna respring our device, and once the device come back, and then I'll show you guys the springboard, what it look like. So as you guys can see right here, this is the image we just picked for the page 1. If we scroll over, you see the same thing still. Now if you have still this problem, you're seeing only one image, what you can do, go to your setting and go to your wallpaper, and what do you want to do, you want to click on this image right here, still on the right side right there, as you guys can see right there, and then once you do that, just hit set. It's going to set, and there you go. Now it's got to change. So this is the image number 1 on the first page of your springboard. Then you got this one right here on the second page. Then you got this one on the third, and then you got this one on the fourth, and so on. So I have only 1, 2, 3, and 4 pages. So I have 4 images, but you can actually have a 10 pages and then have a 10 different pictures, and this is that easy, that simple. And if you guys still have any question or concern, please let me know in the comments below, and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. But now we're gonna go into Cydia, and once we open up the Cydia, we're gonna go into install, we're gonna go into recent. And the second Cydia tweak we are going to talk about today is this one right here, PowerWidget. As you guys can see right here, PowerWidget. Now PowerWidget is basically a really handy, really awesome Cydia tweak that I love, and that's why I bring it out to you guys, so you guys can install it and get the benefit from it. So the benefit of this tweak is basically this tweak bring a PowerWidget 2 devices on iOS 14 or later, allowing you to quickly respring, enter a safe mode, use a space reboot, and UI cache. And now as you guys can see, read this, if the widget doesn't show in the widget picker menu, you will probably need to run the UI cache command. So as we can see right here, this is the screenshot by the developer, and you have this image right here. And then if we go to the next screenshot, as you guys can see, you have this one right here. So what I'm using the small one. You guys probably already saw it on my springboard, but I'm going to show you guys anyway. So if I go to page number 1, as you guys can see right there, this is the widget, and from here you can do respring and UI cache and reboot and all that, and you have as a widget. Instead of going to the setting or going to control center, it is available for you on your springboard, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. It's just awesome. And now let me show you guys really quick how to set it up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this. So as you guys can see, it's gone. So what you can do, just go into for your device into wiggle mode like this, and then click on the plus sign on the top right top left corner, as you guys can see. From here you want to go to search widget, and once you search for a widget, as you guys can see, it's right here. And what do you want to do? You want to click on that, and now here PowerWidget, as you guys can see on the top, and you got the small one, then you got the medium, as you guys can see right here, and then you got the large one right here. So let me show you guys what the medium look like. As you guys can see, it takes the from here automatically goes to the top, but you can move it anywhere you want for your easy access. But you can put it on any other page. As you guys can see, we can move it out to next page just like that, dragging it and dropping it. And this is really awesome, really nice Cydia tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. Now if we go back into the Cydia and so here's we're back in the Cydia, and next Cydia theme that we are going to talk about, which is this one right here, PixelTextCons. And as you guys can see right here, once you open up, as you guys can see, you got the texture for your text. It's pixel text. So as we can see right here, images right there, you have the pixel images for your icon names, and then you have the phone pad, and then this is the third one is for the this is what it look like for the light mode, and this is what it look like for the dark mode. And as you guys can see right here, there's a description, because a word is worth 1,000 pictures. Enjoy the simply with a pixel twist. 110 themes, icon, and more to come. Dialer theme, badge, and request your icon, suggestion, or new idea to you can email at this to this developer, and he probably do it for you. If you have a special request, you can request up to 15 icons. So this is really awesome and really nice, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. In my opinion, it looks really nice, really awesome, and that's why I just want to throw this in this video. And if you guys have any question or concern, please do not hesitate to ask me in the comments below. And at this moment, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Peace.